for example, comparing punch 1 and punch 2. Say in the order number 1 minus number 2. 95% limits for x1 minus x2 are, well, I'm going to take the two sample averages, take their difference, and I'm going to hedge by a t-value times the square root of the first sample standard deviation, which if you look back you'll see is 1.000 over the first squared over the first sample size, which is 3, plus the second sample standard deviation, which is 1.5275 squared over 3. Here I want an upper, well, I'm going to make 95% limits. I want upper 2.5 percent point of the t distribution for some number of approximate degrees of freedom. And if you do the arithmetic, taking 1 squared over 3 plus 1.5275 squared over 3, squaring that and putting it over 1 to the 4th over 2 times 3 squared plus 1.5275 to the 4th over 2 times 3 squared, you get 3.45. Rounding down, if I round down to say 3 degrees of freedom, then once again the right multiplier here is 3.182, and ultimately what I wind up with is minus 1.6 plus or minus about 3.35. And the moral of this story is that I do not have definitive evidence of a difference between those two punch heights. So I don't have definitive evidence of a difference in the measure ends.